Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is a unboxing of the MPOW D6 smart band which I ordered from GearBest. This particular band was shipped uh, you know at a very unbelievable price. The price of the band was around $9.99, and the shipping was about a dollar 50. But I also had certain points which I redeemed, and I got this for about 700 Indian rupees. Currently, the band is sold at a higher price. However, this was the price which I got it for. So let's go ahead and open up this packaging. So it is actually in shrink wrap. I'm just going to peel that off. Okay, and it has a tab here, which I assume has to be pulled. Let me take a little leverage of this and see. Okay, so what do we get in the packaging? Let's have a look. So first thing that you come across is the smart band, which I'll keep aside, and this is the user guide of the MPOW uh, D6 smart band. So if you can see here, it's quite a nice guide. It's in glossy paper material, and it is printed quite well. It has proper pictures of the app as well as other things. So I'll have a look at this in a while. But yes, if you're using this product, this particular guide seems to be good to read, before you configure it. And there's nothing else in the box. Okay, that's about it. So this is as basic as a box can get. We do not get a charging cable, and you'll see why. It's because the device itself becomes the charger. So let's take it out of its packet and see if it has any juice left. Really don't know how to start this guy up. Okay, it appears as though maybe the battery needs to be charged. However, let's talk about the watch strap, the band strap as you call it. So it's made out of this rubberized material, which is not too firm yet. uh, you know uh, it feels very rubberized. Okay, I'm not sure whether it is made of any other material, but it seems quite good, nicely made. At least for the price, it's quite okay. So the next video that I will be making would be after using this particular device for some time, and then I would actually go ahead and uh, you know go would go ahead and give more details about this particular product. So allow me some time to use this product, and then after that maybe I'll have a better review. So that's it, guys. This is all that you get in the box. Okay, you would get a user guide as well as this particular device, and if I'm not mistaken, this is this can be removed, and you can go ahead and charge this device as so this is the first thing what I will be doing right now. I would be removing it out of its casing as and charging this for some time till I can see the display show something. It's a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. But yeah, that's about it from this review side. So you get this band, you get this actual smart band device. Okay, this is the heart rate monitor or the pulse monitor, and this is the user guide. So that's all that you get in the box. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, uh, and consider subscribing, as I tend to review these interesting things which are related to what I like. So I like to run the marathon. I also like other things as well. So if you like, I would appreciate a thumbs up, as well as um, you know a like, as well as a subscription to my channel. Again, this is Dominic signing off. Thank you for watching this video. Do stay tuned for future videos where I will have a complete review of this watch. Thank you and God bless.